Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Exo on your Mac. So let's get started. So first of all you need to clone this repo, and I have to clone, and then you can just change your directory to the Exo folder, and here you can see we have this install.sh script. So all you need to do, you can just do source install.sh. So it will create a virtual Python environment and then install all the required dependency. So I will give it a few minutes, and you might see this issue. It says that it was not able to resolve the package, which is MLX 2.0.22.0. To fix this, what I have figured out is like you can go to the code. Yes, I trust this one. Search for this MLX package. So I looked into the GitHub repo of this MLX, and I see like the package 0.22.1 is available. So just update this one, save this file, and go back to this and just run source install again. So even if you see like there are bunch of versions available, but there is no 0.22.0, that is something which the requirement is trying to install. So once it finished, you see it is installing the required packages, installed successfully. Now you can just run Exo, run one more time, and you see this on the terminal itself. It will take about 10-20 seconds. Okay, so see, so this is my current MacBook, that is MacBook Pro 18 GB, and I already installed and run Exo on my another Mac, which is MacBook Pro M2, which have around 62 gig of RAM. And as both of them are on the same network, they automatically figured out or kind of discovered each of them and just created a network. But we still see like we still have poor GPU, so we might need more machine to create a strong or a GPU rich cluster to run LLM model. And also if I go to this URL, if I refresh, you can see like I have this network topology and I have two nodes connected to it. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.